Dear students, today I am going to start a new chapter, that is coal and petroleum. What is resources? Anything which is used by humans for his survival or welfare can be called as resources. These resources are of two types: natural resources and man-made resources. That means some of the resources we found in nature and some of resources have been made by human efforts. Okay, now I am going to discuss about natural resources. Natural resources are of two types: inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources. These resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. For example, sunlight, air, water, all are inexhaustible natural resources. Now, exhaustible natural resources. The amount of these resources in nature is limited in quantity. They can be exhausted by human activities. Example of these resources are forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Okay, so natural resources are of two types: exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources. Example of inexhaustible natural resources like sunlight, air, water, etc. And exhaustible natural resources are coal, petroleum, forest, wildlife, mineral, natural gas, etc. In this chapter, we will learn about some exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. These were formed from the dead remainings of living organism. They were formed from the dead remaining of living organism, that is known as fossils, and as they are formed from the fossil, these are known as fossil fuels. These are known as fossil fuels. Okay. Coal. You may have been seen coal or heard about coal. It is as hard as stone and is black in color. This is the picture of coal. Coal is one of the fuels used to cook food. Earlier, it was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. It is also used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Coal is also used as a fuel in various industries. Okay, these are all the uses of coal. Now, we just know how this coal is formed. Okay, about 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests get buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted to coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetables into coal is called carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of vegetation, coal is also called as fossil fuel. Okay.